Let q of x, that is RHS of the given differential equation, the RHS of the given differential equation, e to the power ax, where a is any constant, pi is 1 upon f of d to be multiplied by e to the power ax. Now what is the procedure to resolve this? Whatever d will be present in this particular polynomial, every d is to be replaced by a. But at the same time we have to see to it that it should not be equal to 0. Sometimes you may have the situation that after putting this particular a, you are getting a minus a as 0, right? So this will be valid only if it is not equal to 0. So by replacing d with a in f of d, you should have the denominator as f of a and it should not be equal to 0. But if it comes out to be equal to 0, then it is a case failure. So because in the mathematics we do not want 0 in the denominator, that is undetermined term. So in such situation where the case fails, we have to multiply the whole expression by x and differentiate this denominator with respect to d, and then we try to put the value of d by a. This we have to continue unless and until the denominator is non-zero or the value is finite or some definite quantity comes out as the answer. So if f of a is equal to 0 in the above form, case fails. What you have to do? Multiply by x, differentiate the denominator, that is f dash of d, and replace d by a, provided this denominator again is not equal to 0. If it is again equal to 0, keep on multiplying by x and go on calculating the additional derivatives one after the other successively by putting the value of d as a. Here also, provided f double dash of a is not equal to 0, right? And so on. So that is how the situation is. So in case number 1 of particular integral, where RHS of the given equation is e to the power ax, what rule you have to remember? Replace a d by a. How is a obtained? A is nothing but coefficient of x in the exponential term. E to the power ax में whatever is the coefficient of x, with that digit or number or quantity, I have to replace a d by a. If in doing so you are getting RHS, you are getting the denominator as 0, it is treated as failure of the case. In such case, I have to multiply by x and differentiate the denominator with respect to d and then replace a d by a. Again, if you are getting it as 0, go on multiplying by x and calculate the successive differentiation of the value and keep on putting or replacing the value of d by a unless and until you get the denominator as non-zero, some finite quantity as the answer. That will be our particular integral. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Note it down up to this.
Yes, sir.
Finished. Continue this process unless we get some finite terms in pi or non-zero terms. A can be any quantity. So what will be the possibility in the RHS now? E to the power 3x, e to the power minus 5x, e to the power 19x, e to the power 1 lakh x, etc. Right? So how to identify the case number 1? When RHS of the given differential equation is exponential, e to the power 10x, e to the power 3x, e to the power minus 5x. In case of e to the power minus 5x, what is value of a? Yes. In case of e to the power minus 5x as RHS, what is value of a here?
Minus
minus
5.
5.
A
Minus
is
5.
equal to minus 5. In case of e to the power 3x, what is value of a here?
3.
3.
3. So replace a d by 3.
3.
Replace a d by minus
-5.
Clear? Written up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next. Is it visible? Note number
Yes.
1. If q of x is equal to k, k is any constant. Note number 1. If q of x is equal to k, which is any constant, then pi is equal to 1 upon f of d multiplied by k. K can be written as k into 1. So 1 upon f of d into k into 1. K outside, 1 upon f of d into 1 can be written as e to the power 0x, because e
Yes,
to
sir.
the power 0 is 1. And I told you that constant can be associated in the form of any of the variable. अगर y होता तो e to the power 0y लिखते, x है तो I have written it as e to the power 0x. If it is z, we would have written e to the power 0z. Right? So now when you find out this as e to the power ax, what is value of a here? If you compare with e to the
0.
power ax, yes. So replace d by 0,
0.
provided the denominator is not equal to 0. Right? So constant in the differential equation, if RHS is given to you as constant, still it is converted to case number 1, because constant can be written as constant into 1 and 1 can be written as e to the power 0x. Once it is converted to e to the power 0x, replace a d by 0. Provided the denominator is not equal to 0. Right? If it is not equal to 0, final answer is generated. If it is equal to 0, repeat what we have done in the previous step. Multiply by x, differentiate and then replace. Right? Now every time आप बोलोगे कि when you put the constant term d will be replaced by 0, so you can get answer as 0 always. No, certain constant term will be there. 0 plus 2 will give you answer as 2. So not every time when replacing d by 0 will give you answer as 0. In addition to that, if you have any constant term, it will be 0 plus constant is constant, right?
Yes, sir.
So write in this way. So case number 1 में e to the power ax is the first possibility. What is the second possibility? Constant term, because constant is converted to again exponential term, right? So point number 1 is over.
Yes, sir.
Right. Point number 2, hyperbolic equations. Sin hx, what is definition of sin hx? E to the power x minus e to the power minus x upon 2. I hope all of you are familiar with this hyperbolic terms. And what is definition of cos hx? E to the power x plus e to the power minus x upon 2. So again, this can be separated as e to the power x upon 2 plus e to the power minus x upon 2. What is value for a here? In this term, e to the power x by 2, what is value of a?
1.
In e to the power minus x, what is value of a?
Minus
Minus
1.
1.
So replace a d by 1.
1.
Replace a d by minus
Minus
1.
1.
Clear? So whenever
Yes.
you come across with hyperbolic terms, again they are convertible to which case?
First case.
First case. Exponential, constant, hyperbolic, sin hx and cos hx, and lastly this exponential, a to the power x. Now e to the power x and a to the power x are two different quantities, right? A to the power x means base will be constant, power or index is a variable. So we know that e and log gets cancelled. So I
Yes, sir.
anyhow I can use that logic over here. E and log is cancelled, so I write it a to the power x as e to the power log a to the power x. So now log m to the power n is n log m, and log a is constant quantity. So again it is convertible to exponential form.
Yes, sir.
What is constant over here?
Log A.
So replace a d by
Log A.
log a. Got the answer?
Yes, sir.
So this is constant over here, right? A to the power x is convertible to this exponential. So see, 2 to the power x is written in this way, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in case number 1, now what can be included together? Can anybody revise? First point is, in case number 1, what is the standard format RHS is?
Q of X.
Q of x. Q of x is written as e to the power ax, right? That is the standard
Yes.
way of RHS. Replace a d by a. If
A.
denominator is 0, case fails. Whenever case fails, multiply by x and differentiate the denominator, right? And go on substituting a unless you get the value of denominator as non-zero. Constant is again convertible to exponential. Hyperbolic sin hx or cos hx is again convertible to exponential. A to the power x form is again convertible to exponential. आई क्या बात समझ में है?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah, so will you remember all this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Example we do it in the next class. Will it be okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.